In this video, I want to show you how to scan documents using your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also the Air. So let's start from the beginning. You need to find the preview app on your phone. It comes included with it. You don't have to download anything. So if you do not see it on your home screen, go all the way towards the right side where you see App Library on the top. Tap here and type Preview. Here you go, the Preview app. Simply tap on it. It will open the app, and now you have to tap on Scan Documents. Tap over here, and what we did is to simply turn off Auto Shutter. I find it not very reliable. Auto Shutter simply means that you don't have to click the shutter to take a scan, a screenshot or a scan, name it the way you want. Just for this video, let me make this paper smaller. Okay, let's cut it in half like this. Let's say this is the document. I'll simply align in vertical mode or horizontal like this and press the white button to take my scan. Right away, you're going to notice that it has detected the edges of the scan, and you can move them around simply by dragging them in case you're not happy with what your iPhone did there. And then select Keep if you're happy with the results. Okay, it got there, and now you can take the next page. Let's say this is the next page. I'll put it here. I'll align myself and press the white button. It has took the next scan, and I'll press Keep. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and select the check mark. And now you're going to have, as you see, my 2 pages. If you have more pages, you're going to have them there, or it could also just be one if this is what you want. And down below you have annotation. So you can take a pencil, circle stuff, write, put arrows, okay, if this is what you want. And you have other options over here. At the end, simply press this button that is the square with an arrow, and you'll be able to share it on social media. You're going to get all your social media apps over here. You can also print whatever you just scanned. You can copy and paste it in, let's say, in Messenger, in WhatsApp to someone. Or you can select Save to File, and it will get saved on your iPhone. So this is it. This is how you scan. It's quite easy, and yeah, it's using the Preview app. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.